guys, Doug Rucker here with Pressure Cleaning School, where my passion is helping you guys that are new to the industry and just starting a business master this industry and help you be successful. Tuesday. So this is Two Tip Tuesday. I gotta remember my days, man. Hey, I got two quick tips for you about entryways. I'm gonna start off in just a second with tip number 1. So in this entryway, we've got just a little bit of green mold and stuff, algae, lichen, right here on the edges of the concrete. Instead of blasting all of that with the pressure and blowing mulch and dirt all over the place, I'm just gonna dribble a little bit of my strong mix with my pump up sprayer and just kind of let it sit. I'm gonna do it there. And there's some on this side as well. And I'm just gonna leave it, and I'm not even gonna rinse it. And it'll change the color where you can't see it. Rain will eventually remove all that stuff, just like if it was on a roof. And what I'm spraying is about a 50-50 mix. And this way I'm not blasting. You can see over here it's already changing color a little bit. So I'll just stay here and keep spraying this a little bit. It'll take me about 5 minutes to where you can't see that again. Again, this is stuff right at the edge of the concrete. And I don't want to use the pressure to blast this stuff away and throw dirt and mulch all up and down the sidewalk and the entryway, all of that. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Think protection when you clean. How do you protect against damage and making the job harder than it has to be? So that was tip number 1. Coming up, tip number 2. All right, guys, tip number 2, when you've got sidewalks like this that have these risers and you've got this front-facing concrete here and here, be careful cleaning those. We use an adjustable wand when we clean them so we can cut the pressure down and get closer to the concrete. What we're trying to do is control our splatter from hitting the door and hitting up into the front entryway. So we'll use an adjustable wand that allows us to control the pressure at the gun. But the biggest thing is, you know, your angle of your spray comes out at an angle like this. You got a top angle, you got a lower angle. So when you're spraying down here, make sure that top angle rides along right there. Don't get it up here or it's gonna bounce, especially closer to the door. Keep that edge right along there, right along the top. And you'll be able to control that and keep it from splattering the door. The last thing we did was we wiped this door down before we get ready to leave and before we go to the front door to collect. As a matter of fact, you can see a little remnant from our towel right there hanging. So wipe the doors down so when the customer opens their front door, it's all clean. So that's 2 tips for Tuesday. Hope that helps you guys out. This is a wrap on this beautiful home in Friendswood, Texas. There's the beautiful bleach sprayer. Don't be embarrassed if you have to use a pump up. Nothing wrong with it. All right, thanks guys. Y'all have a blessed weekend. Leave me a comment or a question if I can help you in any way in the comments.